Good evening. Welcome to your monthly speaking test. Today we are going to talk about Wi-Fi access internet. I will ask you some questions. Please answer in complete sentences. After the question, you will describe Wi-Fi access network for 1 or 2 minutes. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin. Have you ever heard of Wi-Fi access network before?
Yes, I have heard of Wi-Fi before in my IT class.
What do you think the term of Wi-Fi means?
I think Wi-Fi means fibers and wireless combined together.
Do you use Wi-Fi at home or at work?
Yes, I use Wi-Fi at home to watch video and study online.
Why do people use wireless internet?
People use wireless internet because it is fast and there are no wireless.
What are the advantages of using fiber optics network?
Fibers optic work good because they are very fast and stable.
How is Wi-Fi different from traditional internet connections?
Wi-Fi use both fast cable and wireless routine to give better internet.
Do you think Wi-Fi is faster than normal Wi-Fi? Why?
Yes, I think Wi-Fi fasting because it uses strong fibers connection with Wi-Fi.
Would you like to have Wi-Fi at home? Why or why not?
I would like to have Wi-Fi at home because my current internet is slow.
How important is fast internet for your daily activities?
Fast internet important for learning English and working online.
Do you think Wi-Fi access network will be common in the future? Why?
Yes, I believe Wi-Fi will be common because people need fast and good internet very well.
Now please speak for 1 or 2 minutes about this. Describe what you know about Wi-Fi access network and why they are useful for modern internet users. You can talk about what Wi-Fi means, fiber, wireless, why it combines fiber optics and wireless technologies, where it can be used, how it can improve internet speeds and access. Take a few seconds to think. You may begin when you are ready.
Wi-Fi access network, fibers wireless network, that kind of network use fibers optic cable and wireless route to give fast internet. Fibers used to bring our internet close to their use. Wi-Fi use seen around their house or office. Wi-Fi is very useful in places like home, school, or even villages where internet service is slow. It helps people give a strong and fast connection. I think Wi-Fi I get idea because many people need better internet, especially for study and working online.
Thank you very much. That is the end of your speaking test. You did very well. Keep studying and improving your English skill.